Hi, respectable audience. I am here with a new mathematical problem for you, which is very interesting problem. Let us come to start. 21 divided by 3. We will do it first because we have to apply DM rule, division multiplication. And remember that when we have division and multiplication in the same question, they have same priority, but the operation which is at left will be performed first. As division is at left, so we will perform division first. So 21 divided by 3, it will be equal to 7 times 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. Okay, now multiplication is at left, so we will perform multiplication first. Here, question arises that we have to divide first, but remember that we have to move from left to right, so we have to perform multiplication first. So it will be 7 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. Now we have to apply KCF or CCF, which means 7 by 3 is kept itself. Division is changed into multiplication and 1 by 3 is flipped. So 1 by 3 is flipped, it will become 3. Now there is a little bit cancellation, so 3 is cancelled with 3 and we have 7 times 1, which is equal to 7. Hence, 7 will be our answer. If you have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe my channel.